Today we'll see a practical, that is the breeding technique in Fabaceae. For carrying out that practical, some things are necessary, that is the twigs of pigeon pea with flower bud, needle, forceps, butter paper or polythene bag, brush, camel brush, thread, and paper tags. You observe the twig, it shows a axillary or a terminal racemose on a long peduncle. The flowers, particularly in Fabaceae, they shows a typical type of corolla, that is the papilionaceous type of corolla. There is a presence of 5 green sepals, 5 petals, and while you observe the petals, in that petals there is a one large one, it is called as standard, 2 laterals, these are called as wings, and inner 2 ones, these are called as a kill. Inside kill there is a presence of anthers or androecium. Particularly it shows a diadelphous condition, that means the 9+1, and inside that one there is a presence of a carpel, it shows a short style and stigma. Fruits, these are 3 to 7 seeded pods. When you observe the floral biology, the flowers of pigeon pea is normally opens during the early morning and remains open for 36 to 48 hours. The anthesis frequently occurs prior to complete opening of the flowers. A natural cross-pollination ranges between 15 to 25%. First of all, we will see the selfing. For carrying out selfing, you can select a good plant which is a disease free, and just the flower which is a bloomed one. Before anthesis, such a flower you can wrap it with a paper bag or polythene bag, and then on that paper bag you can create a small holes with the help of needle for aeration, and after completion of that operation you tied that plant with a label. On that label you note the name of variety, name of plant breeder, and a date of selfing. The bag is used to avoid the cross pollination. For carrying out crossing over, you can select 2 varieties. One variety used as a female line, while the second one you can use as a male line. For carrying out that operation, from the female flower, before opening or before anthesis, you can remove the anthers with the help of forceps and needle. Then such a female flower can cover with a polythene bag or a paper bag to avoid a selfing. That means to remove anthers before anthesis, you can call as emasculation. For carrying out crossing over operation, remove the polythene bag from the female parental plant. With the help of camelin brush, you can collect the pollens from the male parental plant and adhere on the stigma of that female parental plant. Then gently press the standard and 2 wing petals to avoid the selfing as well as the crossing over or a contamination of the pollen grains. Then after completion of that operation, you can cover that flower with a polythene bag or a butter paper bag and then tied with a label. On that label you can mention the varieties, to name of varieties, then date of emasculation, then date of crossing over, and a name of a breeder. Thank you.